Hello everyone, myself Rahul Rajput. Today's date is 4th August 2022 and today's video topic name is static keyword in Java. So let's discuss about today's topic. The static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variable methods, blocks and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to the class then and instance of the class. The static can be variable also known as a class variable, method also known as a class method, block, uh, nested class. First one is a Java static variable. If you declare any variable as static, it is known as a static variable. The static variable can be used to refer to the common property of all projects, which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name of employees, college name of students, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in the class or at the time of class loading. Java static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, it is known as a static method. The static method belongs to the class rather than object of a class. A static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of class. A static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.